Now let us take the sixth numerical. Now sixth numerical is a train is moving with the velocity of 20 meter per second and it is brought to rest by applying the brakes in 5 seconds. You have to calculate the retardation. So let us see how to do it. Now first, what is given over here? Initial velocity is given, which is 20 meter per second. Final velocity is given as 0 meter per second because the train is moving with the velocity and coming to rest. And time is nothing but 5 seconds. So here you have to calculate retardation. Very easy. You can use v equal to u plus at. V, you know the final velocity as 0, initial velocity 20 plus a into 5. So the answer comes as a equal to minus 4 meter per second square and the retardation is 4 meter per second square. So this is an easy one. Now seventh numerical. Now seventh numerical is that a train is traveling with the speed of 60 km per hour from station A to station B, and then it comes back with a speed of 80 km per hour from station B to station A. Now you have to find the average speed and the average velocity of the train. So both you have to find the speed as well as you have to find the average velocity of the train. So let us see how to do this numerical. Now first you have to, we can say that over here you will be able to see that the train is traveling from A to B and then from B to A. So here speed of the train from A to B, B to A. So from A to B it is 60 km per hour, from B to A it is 80 km per hour. Now total distance you don't know, so we'll be just writing it as s plus s equals to 2s, right? From here to here, so 2s. Average speed is what? Total distance upon total time. So total time from A to B plus total time from B to A is nothing but s. S is nothing but distance upon, okay, the distance upon the speed. So distance is s, speed is 60 for the first one, s upon 80. So just find out, just plus it with the LCM and all. So 140 s upon 4800 seconds you get. Now just substitute average speed 25 upon 140 upon 4800. 2s from where did, sorry not 25, 2s from where did we get? That's the total distance upon total time. So 2s upon 140, 140s upon 4800, which gives the average speed as 68.57. Here all it's mathematical thing, so you just solve it according to the mathematical thing. Average velocity is displacement upon time taken. So displacement is 0. Why? Because shortest distance, right? So it becomes 0. So displacement is 0. So 0 upon 2 is nothing but what? 0 upon 2 is nothing but 0. So average velocity 0. Speed, we got the answer as 68.57. I hope you understood this. Total time from A to B plus total time from B to A. S upon 60 plus S upon 80 gives me 140 S upon 4800, which gives the average speed as 68.57. So this is the solution set for that. Now the eighth numerical, let's go to the eighth one. Now in the eighth numerical, a train is there which is moving with a velocity of 90 km per hour and it is brought to stop by applying the brakes, producing a retardation of 0.5 meter per second square. So here, what will be the velocity here? 90 km per hour will be the initial velocity. Final velocity 0 because it is brought to rest. Retardation is nothing but 0.5 meter per second square. You are supposed to find out the velocity after 10 seconds and the time taken to bring the train at rest. So a very easy numerical. So we will just see what are we supposed to do first. You will be using the equation v equal to u plus at. You have the velocity over here. Initial velocity 25, acceleration minus 0.5 divided with 10 second, which is 25 minus 5 gives me velocity as 20 meter per second. Then afterwards here you have to take the time, let t1 be the time because you have to calculate the time. So v equals to u plus at1, okay. So here what is your v, what is your final velocity? 0 equal to initial velocity 25 plus acceleration minus 0.5 into t1. So t1 equals to nothing but 25, okay. Here we will say we will be taking inside it as 0.25 upon minus 0.5, okay. So which comes as 25 upon minus, this is 0, sorry, this is 0 minus 25 upon 0.5. So minus 25 upon minus 0.5. So from where? So this is t1 I took this side. So t1 this side, when we take it, so we get 0 over here. So 0 minus 25 upon 0.5, which is nothing but t1 equals to 50 seconds. Okay, so just solve this. Two parts we have got here. We have got the velocity and the timing. Then the ninth numerical here. A car is traveling with a distance of 100 meter with a constant acceleration and average velocity 20 meter per second. You are supposed to find the final velocity, and the acceleration. Now if you have the average velocity and you have the final velocity with you, it's very easy to find out the initial velocity. So how? Average velocity is initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2, which is nothing but 20 is the average velocity, initial velocity you're finding, plus 25 upon 2. So it's nothing but 20 into 2, 40. 40 equal to u plus 25, so u equals to 40 minus 25, which is nothing but 15 meter per second. Acceleration is nothing but v square minus u square equal to 2as. So v square 25 square minus 15 square equal to 2 into a into 100. S is 100. 625 minus 225 is 400. 2 into 100, 200a. 400 equal to 200 a equal to 400 upon 200, a equal to 2 meter per second square. So here you got the acceleration as well as the initial velocity. So this was the 9th numerical. Okay. Now the other numericals I will be taking it next time. This numerical number 2c has two parts, so you just see it carefully. I have uploaded it in two different parts. Just because of some technical error, the recording stopped. So again, I have recorded the numericals up to question number 9. So the other, that is 10 to 15, we will be taking it the next half. Thank you children and take care.